Alright, how you guys doing, YouTube? What's good? I'm back. We're back. Finally finished basic training, finished AIT. I'm out here in South Korea right now, you know. This is the room. It's a little messy. I've been doing some shit, you know. But we out here. So today, I'm about to show you how to get your IOTV and your tap system set up. Because when I first saw it, basic training in AIT, we used to just having the flick and you just wrap it around, you just throw it on your vest and that's it. This is a little different. So, come to the floor. Oh yeah, you don't want to drop those after I just told you. Alright, so the tap system is going to have this clip. It's going to be attached on your buckle right here. Same with the opposite side. What you want to do is you want to unbuckle that from here, and you want to weave it through the side of your IOTV. And then you want to take these little special clips. I'm not sure what, I don't know the term. I really don't know what this shit's called. So they're just gonna, the strap is on the buckle backwards, so I'm gonna have to change it later on. It just came from the heat training where they do the rollover test. And yeah, so then try and do this with one hand. Clips on there. That clips there, just like so. Clip each side. Right now, it looks like this, but once your body's in it, it'll fill out. But, yeah, that's, this is how we're doing right now, man. You know, I'm pretty excited. You know, we fucking show you all here. Yeah, this is the back of my barracks out here at Camp Casey. You know, so, man, 35 Fox, I'll tell you, AIT was something different, man. It was not like college. If you think you're going to go there and it's going to be college for you, it ain't. I'm telling you that, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not. So don't go there thinking, oh, you're going to be in the dorm rooms. I'm about to be 27. A lot of these 18-year-olds, 19, never went to college, fucking head out there and they just start clowning. You know, you don't want to be that person. I'm gonna let y'all go though. I'll be back with another video. I just wanted to post a quick video because I was trying to find this on YouTube earlier and someone showed me how to do it. So, big dogs.